Hey, what's up? Mark Reynolds here, your design systems expert, and I'm going to show you through an awesome feature provided by Knapsack. Now, if you're a design system lead or director, you might be working on something like the strategy of your design system. And Knapsack's a great place to actually document that type of content, but you might not want the public to see it. So you need this content to work with whoever you collaborate with, your team or the design system team, for example, other collaborators across the organization that might be supporting the design system. And obviously, if you have multiple administrators of the design system, or if it's just yourself. But the one thing that we need to make sure is that this view or this particular content isn't viewed by the public. So it's really, really easy to do this, and I'm super excited to show you just how easy. So I've actually created a folder on the left-hand side called Strategy, and within that I've got a page called Overview. And as you can see, it's just a few things that you might recognize or you might not, but just a title and a description at the top. And the things you might recognize are the design system process Miro board, which is again available publicly for anybody to duplicate if you need it, and also the design system process FigJam cheat sheet. Something again you can download from the community, the Figma community as well. So just a couple of things there for you. But essentially, this is my first page, the first page of many within the strategy folder that I might be working on and working with my team on. And I need to change the settings just to make sure that it's not publicly viewable as such. So I'm going to go over to the strategy folder. I'm going to click the more options button, and I'm simply going to click change privacy and change it to the contributor level. As you can see on the menu, you've got the admin level and role, you've got the contributor role and the viewer role. It's currently set to the viewer role, which is the public kind of view for this or in this instance. So what we're going to do is change it to contributor, and that will allow administrators and contributors to see it, but you won't be able to see it if you're a viewer. So I'm simply going to click that, and it's done. Obviously, you have to go through the process of publishing your changes and go through that cycle to make that effective. But essentially, that's it. One other thing I did want to show you before I did drop off is if I also click that button again and go down to the option of hide pages, I can also do that too. So I can just completely hide the page, and then therefore once I've published this whole strategy folder wouldn't be viewable either. So it is actually that simple. I think these are great options, and as you're going through and adding to this folder and working through it and using Knapsack to document your process, etc., it's just a great feature and one that I use often. So that's it for today from me, and have a great day.